Actually, three different techniques we have discussed here. Just have a look for the advantages of microbiologist and other people. This is the normal technique what we use for lactophenol cotton blue will be taking. See, a drop of lactophenol cotton blue is taken on the slide. It should be a neat, perfect drop. If you want to get a good slide, then take the hyphal by using two needles, or you can use the forceps also. Normally, we practice with forceps in to take two needles and let it cool for some time. And sometimes we may be looking for rhizides also. Rhizides, the nature of rhizides will help a lot in characterization and identification of fungi. So you take it in the peripheral colony, not from the bay. From the actually at the center already sporulation has been started. So you disperse the hyphal suspension on lactophenol cotton blue and insert your needles. And this is the cover slip carefully so that air bubble is not trapped. This is how normally this is the technique that what we practice at our laboratories. And first see it under 10x to locate the things, then go for the 40x. That is quite enough for the most of the time. This is a microsporum gypsum, which can be seen under the 40x. No, for fungal characterization, generally, see, sometimes for Penicillium medullae, such kind of things, maybe 100x is required, but majority of the time for mycelial characterization, there's 40x is enough. The second strategy, there's a smear preparation, not smear, mount preparation for the fungi is lactoglycerol. By using the lactic acid glycerol, we can prepare from lactophenol blue we need to purchase, but this lactophenol we can lactoglycerin we can prepare in our lab itself. So lactic acid, 50% lactic acid and 50% glycerol we need to take. So it will be giving good refractive index for the mycelial hyphae, and it will the natural color of the mycelium. Sometimes some mycelium, Penicillium notatum, Penicillium is green in color. So native color can be clearly seen by this method, lactoglycerol. And put it tight so that subsequent people will be using it. Because of these are viscous solutions, once it is slept, fall it down, then other people will not be using it. So we need to do the sterilization of loop. Don't keep this fungal plates open for a longer period, because of see a lot of spores are there in this one, and they spreads like nothing. And it will be big nuisance in the laboratory for this removal of spores or sanitation or this fumigation of this controlling of this fungal cultures. So be careful while handling this one. Don't keep it open for a longer while. So by using the needle, actually, otherwise is a loop you can use. We'll be taking little mycelium, not too much, and put it into the lactoglycerol drop. And by taking the, see, as the mycelium is not being dropped over there, another, the help of another needle is being taken. So that needle should be sterilized. Because of in hurry, don't take the needle as such, and don't do the intervention process. Better you take sterilize the needle and remove or detach the mycelium from the first needle, then suspend it uniformly over the lactoglycerol. Once it is suspended, now we'll be covering with a cover slip. Everything you should do with patience and perfect. And you should place the cover slip. You can see the technique. You need not to use the slide. Well, like section cuttings, while we do, we'll take the assistance of needle. But if you do perfect, no need of any. And here glycerol also supports to eliminate. See, there is no air bubble here. Glycerol also will help in reducing the surface tension, so that air bubble will not be trapped there. So you can practice this method in the laboratory, so that whenever you are having a culture, mycelium culture with color and spores, if you want to see in different textures and colors, this is the best method. And one more third strategy, in fact, we can practice. If the old culture, very old cultures, if you are having, there is a chances of dislocating of spores. So this third method is most recommended one. First one is a normal one you can do for rhizoids or mycelium characterization. Second method is best for the color characterization. Third method is best for very old cultures. You want to see the sporangium and the arrangement of spores over the sporangium. Normal lactophenol cotton blue, spores will not appear. Spores, all the spores will be disappeared, and we will be able to see a small cocky kind of thing here and there. But in this method, we'll be taking a scalpel where the surgical blade is attached. I don't know whether you have seen or not. See, over the scalpel, we'll be putting the surgical blade. You are supposed to put a surgical blade. There is a sterile surgical blade we'll be putting. So we are not much disturbing your culture. We'll be cutting it into cube, and from that small slices will be taken out to observe where, if you are taking these slices, there will be intactness of sporangium and spores will be maintained. So along with the medium, solid medium, this entire thing is coming. You can see we'll be taking a okay, we'll prepare both lactophenol as well as lactoglycerin. Both the things we'll prepare by third method. So first, forceps is required along with the scalpel and blade, because the cube has to be taken out. So you make a cut of your overgrown mycelium. See, you can see a lot of spores over there, and take a cube. This cube, carefully you bring it to, actually you can use the forceps, you bring it to the slide. Now this cube, you have to cut into small pieces. See here carefully. Hold it with a forceps, and at the top level, make it into a thin section. We'll put it here. Yeah. Here, the sporangium spores are not much disturbed because you are taking from the substratum. Intactness will be maintained. If you are taking very old Aspergillus niger culture, then only the spores, round spores you will be getting. But if you practice this thing, you will be getting hyphae as well as sporangium, and sporangium along with the spores also you'll be able to see. So these are the small pieces. Cube was taken out, and the small pieces were cut. And this is lactophenol cotton blue. And we'll do with lactoglycerol also. Yeah, this is the lactoglycerol. So we'll put the cover slip. See, it should be arranged with an angle of 30 degrees. Then gradually release it so that the chances of air bubble formation will be less. So as there is a cube, just squeeze it over there, just press over there, and a perfect smear has been formed. With lactophenol cotton blue, the same thing is repeated to prepare a perfect mount. Yeah. See, these are the two fungal mount preparations. These are the three different techniques of preparing fungal mounts for for microscopic observation of fungi. So this is the thing that what we planned for you for microbiology section. And now see, if you have any sharp queries, actually our interest is to give some skills. All these video presentations with my interpretations will be provided to you in the form of soft copies, so that you can practice these things at your laboratory. And if you have any fast queries, you